How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to Crypto Revolution.
My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to discuss a very interesting website, Bit.com. Now, it has more than just a really marketable name. This is essentially one of the bigger crypto projects that I've talked about in a long time, so we will jump into the nitty-gritty of it. However, let me go ahead and give you my friendly disclosure before we get this started. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please don't buy a project just because I talk about it. Make sure to do a little bit of your own research. However, we are about to do some research together right now. And basically you can see, Bit.com, you can win lots of rewards. There's lots of trading, different tokens, and it is leading high-performance crypto exchange. There is top liquidity provided globally by tier 1 market makers, up to 50 times leverage with futures and 10 times with options. Safeguarded by the cutting-edge custodian infrastructure of Cactus custody for our global user base, and leading insurance funds and incremental liquidation mechanism. We can see here the volume being traded is pretty significant actually. Trade anywhere, as they do have an app, as you can see. Now, I think that's actually something that's really cool and positive about this project is that, I'm always a big fan, as you know, for an app. I think that makes it so much more valuable. And of course, I do love that they have such a diversity as well. I noted on one of these, actually, they were saying that they just started trading a very specific couple new coins, new listings right here. DOT, Ape, and Sand. So that's pretty rare, by the way. Ape is not traded many places. The only place when I was looking to buy Ape I could find it was, I won't even worry about it, because, again, you can get Ape here, so don't worry about the other company. And we can see some of their articles here. Crypto options trading getting started in the new financial frontier over on Being Crypto. Let's see here on Tech Bullion, trading and crypto options. Here, the best exchanges you should know, and Bit.com. Bit.com's big. I mean, I think we all know, like most of us have heard of Bit.com for one reason or another exchange-wise. So, I mean, I think this is a really cool one. We can see their Medium as well. A lot of people talking on their, like a lot of info on their Medium, like really great articles as to what the project is doing and keeping people up to date, which I appreciate. Of course, their Telegram with just about 10,000. Same thing on their Twitter as well. And they're getting definitely an active followership. Again, the cool thing about them is that we'll kind of go back and go through. Cool thing about them is, again, this is a really great exchange that is all about, opening and being expansive, I guess is the best way to put that. Making sure that they're not just closed off to a couple different coins, and they want to make the business bigger. Now, of course, you can log in and sign up, log in, get all your things set there, and go through here, and we're going to kind of go through all of these different parts here at the top, just to show you a little bit more about the website as well. So we can see here, now the crypto market did take a dip today. I hate to say it, hate to see it, my friends, but we're just gonna have to hold on, as we always do as crypto companions. Now, also, just to be clear, any of these links are available here on the website. You can check here on their social media. Whoa, right there behind me. And you can see all of the links over next to me as well. Just kind of want to point that out here in case you are doing your own research interested in this project. But again, it is cool that they do have a tracker here, minus the fact that crypto took a bit of a dip today. But hey, took a big sharp rise, so it is still above where it has been for months, just to be clear. We can see here, rebalancing market making strategy. Buy low, sell high. Easy enough. Constant asset ratio. Invest wisely in volatile markets. Customize a strategy. Invest, automatic market making, and earn rebalance premium. So you can see the total investments, total profit generated, and then the strategy library. You can check your own strategy. Of course, I don't have my strategy on here, and then your own history. But I love the strategy library where you can actually learn different strategies. It's a nice FAQ, by the way, just to explain this to you if you're a little bit confused as to how to do so. This is something I've run into a couple of times. Very rarely, like that anyone's ever done this kind of thing. So I think that it's a revolutionary idea. But Also just really cool. And then we can see here, we're going to go through a couple of things and we're going to get back to the actual website part of it, because there are just a couple of things that I did want to show you here. Zero taker fees for options trading in April only via Paradigm. So we can see here that the bit.com blog.bit.com. And then the zero taker fees. So this is something that was very important with this project as well. Basically, with the crypto industry becoming more popular and established, the importance of crypto options trading is becoming more widely recognized. Bit.com, we're committed to crypto price discovery, liquidity, and the power of structured products. This April, we're promoting crypto options trading in partnership with Paradigm by offering zero taker fees. Negotiated on Paradigm and settled on Bit.com, our trusted partner Paradigm automates over-the-counter cryptocurrency trading for institutional crypto traders via a simple, easy-to-use interface and via API. So you can read more about this, but I think that's really cool to see that that's kind of where things are going. We've got phase 1 is enrollment March 30th through April 9th going on, and if you support enroll, contact Paradigm support and provide your Bit.com user ID. Then phase 2 is zero taker fees. Bit.com will waive taker fees on option trading beginning April 10th for Paradigm customers who have requested to participate in the program. It's promotion valid in BTC, ETH, BTH, options trading negotiated in Paradigm and settled on Bit.com's platform. In the interim, applications are still ongoing. Please feel free to contact them. And so basically, thank you for your time and contact them if interested. Let's see, switch on your future. Now, this is support.bit.com. This is actually their support area. If you're curious about how to get some help with them, you can contact them. Actually, what's really cool, they've got a lot of customers, support contacts as well as support.bit.com. And just lots of different places where you can actually reach out to real people. This is a brief introduction on unified margin system. So this is just a little bit of a little bit of info about the actual specifics of this, the project, and sort of how it came to be, that sort of thing. We can see here bit.com/partner. And that is something really cool as well, by the way. I will mention in this one there is also let's see here, they do have a place where you can also, pretty much anyone can sign up to actually have their own referral code. So we'll get to that in a little bit as well. And then let's see, so basically these are different articles about their partners. They're different partners, the people they've worked with, some big names, obviously some very important people, which is cool. And then you can get in touch with them via email. Token listing application. This is actually something, if you want to check out, if you're interested to list your token on bit.com, you can actually list an application right there, easy enough. They want you, so they're currently looking for ambassadors in order to expand the digital currency community. Love to have enthusiasts with influence in the field of digital currency. So if you do have any influence, definitely check that out, and you can check out, there's different requirements, responsibilities, things to do so definitely apply if you're if you happen to be a crypto influencer that's interested in that sort of thing. We can see more about bit.com as well. As I said, they're great little articles. Submit a request if you're interested in something like that. Their blog, again, just a nice general look over their blog, which is kept up to date crazily. I mean, it is really, really kept up to date. Now we can see the Coin M futures right there. USDT M futures. So again, the cool thing is you've got all these different, now we're here at the top of the thing. Now we're doing this, so you've got your options as well. If you're the type of person who this interests, of course, if you're not familiar with options, do a little bit of research and then come back to this sort of thing, is what I would say. This is not the video for me to explain it in full detail. And we can see rebalancing, marketing, making strategies. So as we just sort of saw that going through these different parts, the reward center. So claim your exclusive rewards here. So you can, there are different promo codes, and basically you can use these different coupons, claim different coupons, which I think is really interesting. Let's see here. There's data info here just as to what's kind of going on. You can check settlement, funding rate, insurance fund as well. And then we are back here at the social media. But my friends, bit.com is a really, really, it is just packed to the gills, is the best way I can say this. As I said, they do have a really great ambassador program, as I mentioned. That's something that I would be, I would definitely say take some interest in. And, personally, I think this is a really cool project. I'm excited to see what the future holds for this one. But as always, my friends, thank you for coming by Crypto Coins. My name is Freddie Colton. Today we discussed Bit.com, went through everything we could. Now, again, please do come back and check out more if you're interested. I will see you in the next episode.